And Jay-Z is the latest high-profile celebrity to be named in connection with Sean Diddy Combs. A woman alleges that Jay-Z raped her in the year 2000 at an award show after party when she was 13.
Jay-Z says the allegation made against him is part of an extortion attempt. For more on this, we're now joined by entertainment lawyer Tre Lovell from the Lovell firm, and he joins us from Los Angeles, California. Tre, good to have you on, and thank you for joining us. These are really, really serious allegations involving a minor, and this now connects Jay-Z to Sean Diddy Combs. What do you think this means for Jay-Z's career and life?
Well, it's very serious. Obviously, any relationship or claim that anybody is associated with P. Diddy on these really horrific claims is going to be damaging to your reputation. And that's why Jay-Z is doing what he's doing, is fighting back hard. He's issuing a long public statement, going into depth why he didn't have anything to do with it. He has sued the plaintiff and the plaintiff's attorney for extortion, and they're pushing back, which is really what he needs to do.
Okay, so let's talk about that. Pushing back with claims of extortion as well as a countersuit. What are the implications here? Yeah,
the plaintiff's attorney for the victim needs to be a little bit careful, because right now, a lot of eyes are set on this Diddy case, and anybody associated with it is going to have a serious degradation of their reputation and their brand. And so he needs to make sure that he has evidence and a good faith belief. If he's trying to leverage the negative publicity to extract a settlement, it's going to come back to bite him. And so it's really going to be all about the evidence. Does the victim have enough evidence to prove that Jay-Z was there and actually did these acts, raped her at the time, or is this more of just a leverage on the publicity to try to extract a settlement? So that's really where the fight's going to be.
Right, and that'll be so interesting to follow. Look, Tre, Jay-Z is the first celebrity to be accused in connection with Combs. Could there be more? What are you watching for? Yes,
I do anticipate more. He's the first. Because what the plaintiff's attorney has done, the victim's attorney, has really set the narrative. They filed these lawsuits under a Jane Doe suing different defendants, and there's being able to insert additional celebrity defendants if they don't settle the case or resolve the case. So, they tried to do a deal with Jay-Z. It didn't work, so they named him. And I'm assuming that they probably have done a lot of other settlements with other celebrities. This isn't the first that's reached out to. But Jay-Z's the one that really pushed back, and other celebrities will push back as well.
And Tre, let's talk about the timeline as well. These allegations go back to 2000, where now Jay-Z is being named.
I got to tell you, when you have cases like this that are that old, evidence disappears, forensic evidence isn't available, witness testimony starts to die down, and it becomes a he said, she said. So even though the allegations are really bad, the victim has the burden of proof to really establish that it happened. And if Jay-Z can somehow show, hey, I wasn't there, I don't know the venue, I was somewhere else, it really goes to his defense. And the victim needs to be specific on the details in terms of describing the home and what happened. And so when you have things like this that happened a long time ago, it really makes it a difficult case to prove.
All right, and important to note, Jay-Z, very quick to issue a statement denying the allegations, calling them nothing but a blackmail attempt. Tre Lovell from the Lovell firm joining us from Los Angeles, California tonight. Thanks so much for your analysis.
Thanks, Tre.
Thanks for having me.